Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to keep your home pest-free without the hassle. Introducing the LFSYS 50-pack window fly traps, your ultimate solution to pesky flies and insects. If you've ever dealt with annoying flies buzzing around your home, you know how frustrating it can be. That's where these fly traps come in. They're not just your average sticky paper. The LFSYS traps are designed to be ultra-effective and easy to use, making them a must-have for any household. Let's talk about what makes these traps stand out. First off, they're crafted from eco-friendly, non-toxic materials, ensuring they're safe for your family and pets. No more worrying about harmful chemicals in your living space. Each trap is transparent, blending seamlessly with your windows. This means no more unsightly additions to your decor, just clear windows and peace of mind. So, if you're tired of flies taking over your home and want a safe, effective solution, look no further than the LFSYS 50-pack window fly traps. Click the link in the description to get yours today and say goodbye to buzzing nuisances for good. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy trapping!